During snowfall in the Himalayas, nature generally assumes a calm, enchanting, and white-covered appearance. The snowfall transforms the mountains, valleys, and forest areas from green to white, creating an extremely cold, pristine, and mesmerizing environment. The presence of snow enhances the natural beauty of the Himalayas, while also increasing water storage in mountain rivers, as the melting snow becomes the source of these rivers. During snowfall, the environment feels intensely cold due to the winter conditions, and the mountain range is often seen under cloudy, grey skies. Tourists and locals alike enjoy the unique beauty and pure coldness that snowfall brings to the Himalayas. However, in recent times, global warming and pollution have started to reduce the amount of snowfall, leading to changes in the natural scenery of the Himalayas, with some areas experiencing a shift in winter landscapes due to less snow. In summary, snowfall in the Himalayas transforms nature into a uniquely peaceful, white, and cold form, showcasing the brightness and beauty of the winter environment. The snowfall brings special silence, clarity, and a quiet beauty comparable to that of blooming flowers in the environment.
Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no.